Hey guys, let's settle the expenses from yesterday.
Oh yeah, but I'm not sure how much I owe.
Wait, I paid for the drinks yesterday. And I paid for the dinner.
And I also paid for the cinema.
So, who needs to pay who? Dinner was 90 ringgit.
For cinema was 48 ringgit.
The drinks were 24 ringgit.
Should we just divide everything by 3?
But I didn't drink coffee.
What about taxes and service charge?
And the dinner wasn't for everyone.
Now I'm confused.
Same here. There must be an easier way.
What if we use Smart Split?
Smart Split was developed to solve the common problem of managing and splitting group expenses manually. The application helps users record shared expenses, calculate payments automatically, and ensure fair, also transparent bill splitting among group members. The development process began by identifying issues faced by users when managing shared expenses. The application was then designed, developed, tested, and improved to provide an accurate and user-friendly solution.
Hello everyone, I'm Aina and I will briefly explain the purpose of Smart Split. Group activities such as dining, traveling, or sharing transportation expenses often involve multiple payments made by different individuals. Calculating each person's contribution manually can be complicated and may lead to misunderstanding. Smart Split solves this problem by automatically calculating expenses and generating a clear payment summary for all group members.
First, tap Create New Group and fill in all the required details. Do not forget to add all the members involved in the split. Once everything is filled in, press Continue and make sure to copy the group code so your friends can access the group. Next, upload the QR codes of the members who made the initial payments so we can settle who paid for what. After confirming all QR codes are uploaded, click Add Items and Bill Details to start splitting the expenses. In this example, the first bill is the cinema. Since Huda paid for all the movie tickets and each ticket costs the same, the price entered is 45 ringgit. Then, split to the members who watched the movie together. After that, we will now add the service charge and tax, and it will be split fairly among everyone. For the next bills, if each person has different items, we enter them separately. For example, Aini orders a Wagyu steak price at 50 ringgit 29 cents. Since Shira paid for it, we select Shira under Paid By and only select Aini under the Split section. Then, we add another bill where Shira orders spaghetti bolognese price at 26 ringgit 90 cents for herself. Again, Shira is selected as the payer and only Shira is selected for the split. The system will then calculate the total amount for both items before adding service charge and tax. Once added, the final split results between Shira and Ayuni will update automatically. Next, apart from manually entering items and prices, users can also scan receipts or upload e-receipts. The app will automatically detect and fill in the bill details. After scanning the receipt, all details will appear automatically. Just click Add Bill and everything including service charge and tax will be calculated instantly. In Smart Split, all expenses are calculated automatically to determine each person balance. In this case, Ayuni has a negative balance of 50 ringgit 64 cents, meaning she needs to pay other group members. Meanwhile, Huda and Shira have positive balance, meaning they paid more and will receive money back. To simplify everything, the system optimized the payment. For payment, there are QR codes for each member's bank. Everyone can simply scan each QR code for the payment. If you are joining an existing group, simply tap Join Group and enter the group code that was shared with you and tap Continue. The group details will appear on your screen and you can proceed by following the same steps to add if there is any necessary information. After making the payment, just click I've paid to confirm that the transaction is complete. Once everything is done, press Done. And that's it. Everything is settled in just a few simple steps.
Making group payments simpler, fairer, and transparent. Smart Split help users manage shared expenses efficiently.